some flour in the pan. Add the chicken. And just simmer it for some time. It's very easy to make.
Smells fine.
Take some water.
How much water are you using?
Just 1 jar, this much. I'm gonna add this in here. Simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes until the chicken is done. And our butter chicken is ready, and it's up to 8 servings. We're going to put it in the bowls. This is our batter, which is now ready, and you can taste it.
It's delicious.